What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video, and this is your Tweaky Tuesday video. And guys, we absolutely destroyed the market, which brings me to one of my topics. If you're not part of Traders War Room, you guys are missing out. And I'm going to show you some of the alerts that we had. And guys, some of these alerts are life-changing alerts. And just remember, here at Traders War Room, we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sectors, those are our battles. We do it together as a team. We're attacking, we're conquering, we're destroying, and we're always going to war. So if you're not part of the team and you want to be part of it and you can get down with that, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war together, team. Traders War Room, let's get it. Welcome back, team. With truly something for everyone and every type of trader out there, we want to invite you to come trade with the bulls. Check us out, traderswarroom.com, for more details. Now, I promised you some life-changing alerts, so let's go ahead and check out some of these recent alerts and check the time and date stamp at the bottom, because you know we keep this legit. Apple trade entered at 125. Google trade entered at 128. Secured profits on Apple 214, Google 164. One of our trades on energy, XOP, secured today at 320. But you're like, hey Chuck, you told me life-changing. This is just good trading. Well, I got something for you. How about AMD 83 put at 141 and the SPY put at 405 at entry at 183? And when I tell you life-changing, this is what I'm talking about. SPY 183 to 1038, baby. AMD 141 to 555, life-changing. This is how you make $2,000 in a day right here off of 2 trades. And these were swing trades, guys. Look at that time and date stamp at the bottom. No pattern day trade rules with this. All money, straight profit, taking it to the bank. Only on Traders War Room. And I get it, guys. We don't always hit the big bangers like we did today on the SPY and AMD, but man, we are consistent. And you want alerts like these and you want consistent wins, join TWR today and come trade with the bulls. So what's hot and what's not? Let's go ahead and get into it. Here's how your markets close. Blood in the street all across the board. Picture representation of the S&P 500. Sector performance, red across the board. Dark pool, only thing that really has anything going is SPY and the Q. And put heavy on the calls versus puts. Only thing that is strong green is Tesla. Top 20 tickers, and we'll cover a couple of these in the chart section, but definitely a lot of the big moving, big cap type of stocks are moving around on some volume and price action. And here's the futures, about 50-50. Remember, these are a glimpse into what could be, not what will be, and we just play the market, how the market gives us when the bell rings. Top story is all about that Twitter whistleblower that reveals employees concerned China agent could collect user data. This goes into the Twitter deal with Musk, so definitely paying attention to both Twitter and Tesla. Next, upset by high prices, GM Cruise develops its own chip for self-driving cars. Definitely paying attention to GM. They are coming heavy into this automation driving technology that Tesla has thus so far been the king of. And finally, Texas lawsuit on Google ad dominance can mostly proceed. Judge rules. Definitely paying attention to Google, and Google is just the front runner on this. This could also have other implications on ad rulings from some of the bigger tech companies as well. Let's check out some charts. SPY, I'm bearish. I think we come back down to this previous low level and we probably break to the downside. XLC, I'm going to go ahead and give this to bull. Now this is going to need some patience. It's probably not going to be this week, but over the long period, I think we're at a bottom and we'll probably see a little bit of rejection from the support coming up to the upside. Meta, again, I don't know how low we can go on this, but we seem to be bottoming out. I think we'll see a nice bounce from down here. Now, it may not be this week because of CPI data, but keep this on your radar because when this moves to the upside, it's going to move quick. I'm bearish on Amazon. I think we're going to break to the bottom and go a little bit lower. Bearish on Google. I think there are legal problems and some of the other sentiment on the overall broader market is going to cause us to go down lower. I'm going to give this to 50-50. It's a toss-up. Usually too much too soon on these tickers got me thinking more of a bearish stance. However, these things have been known to run fairly good, and this thing had a huge run, so it could potentially have another multiple day run, especially as some of the big cap stocks are suffering, other people are going to look into these penny stocks for a place to tuck some money away. NRBO, same concept as the other one previously. A little too much too soon in my opinion. However, these things, when the big caps are suffering, people are going to tuck money away and they're going to spend money on things that are moving and shaking, and these penny stocks definitely can move and shake, and with volume they can run. I'm bullish on this one long term. This is one that you're going to have to be patient and allow this to mature, but leaps and shares are definitely a good idea, especially at this price. Bearish on net, but I like it long term. I think we're not going to hold this level. We're probably going to retract and come down further. However, I do like this as a long position, so definitely looking for it at the bottom to go long on a position further out, looking towards a year, maybe 3 years in the future. That's the video, folks. Guys, quit wasting that money that's not making money and come trade with the bulls. Join TWR today. The link's in the bio. Hope to see you guys on the trading floor when the bell rings.